Okay. This is probably in stock. $25.99 ends today. 27.8 cubic feet. Samsung. Water in the door. I think this would please you. So you get a pitcher with a filter, which would be good for Amanda. This drawer, or this, and this. This is nice. This flips up for milk. And then you got the two drawers in this drawer. And then the freezer with a drawer. Or this one, Whirlpool, his favorite, $32.99. I don't think you'd like that. This has the fold-up, flip-up for milk. Doors, drawers, drawers, and freezer with 3 drawers, two drawers. Ice, something else, and something else. So this is nice. It's $3,300. Whirlpool. But again, this one seems to be a really good deal. $25.99. 10-year warranty, Samsung with that. Oh, there we go. Metal cooling door. This flip up